Nothing destroys an insulter faster than a person who refuses to break. Insults only work on the ones still searching for their worth, and you're not one of them anymore. When you stay calm, the person insulting you starts battling their own reflection, not you. Here are 7 silent ways to make insults powerless and gain undeniable respect. 1. Stay calm when they expect you to break. Insults are designed to trigger you, but your calmness becomes the moment they lose control. When you don't react, the insult dies in the air. Your emotional stability is louder than their words. 2. Respond with clarity, not emotion. A calm reply cuts deeper than an angry reaction. Insult someone back, you look equal. Answer with clarity, you look superior. A measured tone shows confidence, not weakness. People fear the ones who stay composed under pressure. 3. Don't just hear their words, read their intention. Every insult reveals more about them than about you. Strong people don't take words personally, they analyze motives. Insults expose insecurity, jealousy, or fear. Once you understand the intention, the words lose all power. 4. Give them no access to your emotions. Insults only work when the person knows your weak points. Guard your emotions, share less, reveal slowly. People can't wound what they can't reach. Emotional privacy is silent armor. 5. Use silence to break their momentum. Silence is unsettling, especially to someone expecting a fight. Your quiet presence creates pressure they can't handle. People rethink their behavior when you refuse to participate in their chaos. Silence is not weakness, it's controlled power. 6. Redirect the conversation with confidence. A confident shift in topic dissolves the insult instantly. When you refuse to dwell on negativity, others follow your energy. Leaders guide conversations. Insecure people attack them. Your focus determines who controls the moment. 7. Let your presence, not your words, earn respect. Respect grows when people see you stay grounded in disrespectful moments. People remember calm strength longer than loud anger. Your character is revealed when someone tries to destroy it. Win without arguing. That's real dominance. You become powerful the moment you stop giving power to insults. Not every comment deserves your attention, and not every person deserves access to you. Respect isn't built by reacting, it's built by rising above. If you choose calm power over conflict, tap, comment, I choose respect, and subscribe to Mindful Ways.